Presenting the Ram 2019 2500 Bighorn. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include black premium cloth bucket seats included, bucket seats manual adjust 4-way front passenger seat power adjust 8-way driver seat folding flood load floor storage rear 60/40 folding seat front seat back map pockets power 2-way driver lumbar adjust full-length upgraded floor console, transmission, 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE, included, chrome accent shift knob, radio, Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display, sport appearance package included, body color grille surround black interior accents sport decal body color door handles painted front bumper painted rear bumper, diamond black crystal pearl coat, front fog lamps, spray and bed liner, rear wheelhouse liners and LED bed lighting. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your